Before I start with this course, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Ankit Khatri and I have more than 13 years of experience in multiple data science applications like Excel, SQL, Power BI, Tableau, Jaspersoft, and many more. I've been using these applications for the purpose of creating dashboards, creating financial models, automation, management reporting, and etc. And today I would like to start the journey of Excel, wherein as a part of this journey, you will learn how to add the data to Excel, how to clean and format the data along with adding validation on the same, how can you use different functions and the formulas in different scenarios on different data sets. And lastly, we will be doing the deep dive in data visualization along with Power Pivot. You can find the detail of the course on my website data-decoder.com. You will find the content of the course and the kind of a sequence you'll be following in terms of the journey. Please subscribe to the channel Data Decoder for more videos. Thank you.